Pure manufacturing results brought right to your door. The answer you've been looking for. Call your local Genius ERP representative. We're on the internet. Contact us today. WMFG Charlestown. Channel 8's 11 o'clock movie. Yvonne Barrett and Jess Carbone. And now, back to Jim Carr's ERP Talk.
Hi, Jim Carr again. Dennis, first of all, congratulations on being traded to Genius ERP.
Finally, yeah.
Now, some of our audience don't know the finer points of how Genius ERP helps manufacturers. Can you explain, for example, what is an ERP?
Well, Genius ERP aligns your whole shop, bang, streamlines your business, and your profit go comme ça. Then you grow more, and grow some more.
I see. And what common manufacturing struggles does Genius ERP fix?
Well, an inaccurate job costing evaluation might hit you in the throat, just like that.
Oh, that sounds bad.
Yeah, that's very bad. You never do that. Never.
Never.
You're stupid if you do that. Just some ignorant pig, you know?
Dennis, how about on the shop floor? How does Genius ERP help there?
Well, a better connected shop will slash your production time like that.
Oh, and how about scheduling?
Scheduling, you might be tripped up by a bad scheduling. Okay. But if you use Genius ERP scheduling, you're sure to deliver on time.
And I'm afraid to ask, how about engineering?
Engineering and production are bring together by Genius. And they make sure that they work in the same direction like that.
Okay. And what do you think about manufacturers that don't use Genius?
You know, they should sit and feel shame. Or get Genius and feel smart.
Well, there you have it. Genius ERP has everything for manufacturers to grow their business. Good offers are still available.